Hello, this is Turntable Man 100. Right, we're on about previous about Intel CPU chip. Now is my second part of video for building your PC. Right, you're wondering what's this on, two parts there. Right, I've got to tell you about it. Right, every motherboard, new motherboard these days are SATA or SATA ports in your motherboard. Every new motherboard always has been with new SATA ports. Very rare to get IDE ports now. It's unless you buy a second hand or whatever. But there's a solution is I find it's very useful toolkit. That is, I want to pick up that IDE and SATA adapter, right, for your DVD burner and or hard drive, whatever, you know what I mean. So this is back to IDE driver. Alright, so you plug in that back, and the back side of that's the SATA port. So you plug in SATA cable there, I think, and a power SATA cable or the SATA cable there. So yeah, a SATA cable, that one. So I brought two, because I got two DVD optical drives, one for the burner and one for the player. So that means I could convert to DVD in IDE DVD into the SATA port or SATA port. Because it's very useful, because I got the old IDE DVD burners. So convert to SATA cable into the motherboard. I hope it works very well. I did look for a preview on Amazon, and they said it's pretty good. So I hope it's worked for me as well. So yeah, that is all there is this. That's all there is. I'll plug it back to the SATA port. Ready to go. And plus, I don't know, later it's built. Probably configuration on the BIOS settings for the drivers to recognize the system. Well, it should be easy. Hope so, but yeah. That's it. It did come a long way from delivering, because I think it's all from foreign. I don't know, probably from China, Hong Kong, or whatever. But this is simply great value for this. I bought for pair for £3 odd from Amazon, so that's really good. Yeah, that's all I'm going to talk about, really. So I've got to wrap this up now. Wait for the builds for later on, like so. Please subscribe and fill in your comments below. Then I'm going to post with the next video, and I'm going to talk about the RAMs, Corsair RAMs Revengers. That's it for now. Thank you for watching on YouTube. This is a tool you want to get. It's a very useful tool for people got old system drivers to convert to SATA cables. So yes, it's very good. So you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and fill in the comments below. Very much appreciated. And I'll see you next week, guys. Bye bye.